Thanks. Yes. We have good air conditioning.
We assembled over 225, so we're just having a STEM class. This year we do.
At our recent employee event that we call Power of One, we had over 500 employees attend. And as part of our Oshner Serves project, we assembled STEM kits that we could donate to local elementary schools.
This year we do. Last year too. Wooden sign that'll say.
Wait, this what is
Hey, I'm Ashlyn.
I'm Kirsten.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Employee events that we recently had. So I hope y'all can use them and the kids will love them.
Yes. Oh yes, these will be. I'll be able to work with them
Awesome.
in these. These are
Perfect.
fantastic, and I love learning. And we've had several students who have come in and said, "STEM is my favorite thing." You know, I'm just not one of those ones that likes PE, and I like being able to build with my hands, and I like learning coding. And so they really offer a variety of things for all the students. And it gets everybody to feel good about being here, and they just enjoy it. It's a positive atmosphere, and they're so helpful with each other.
Yes.
And offering to help. This is a great. They're gonna love this.
The community connection means a lot to us, and we'll make sure that our kids know where those STEM kits came from, and that will spark some really good conversations about community partnerships.
West and
Balloon
Clarkdale.
racers.
We are always looking for ways to give back to our community, and we wanted our employees to get involved and be hands-on, so this seemed like a perfect way to give back.
Would you like for us to go with us while we take them to the STEM class?
Sure.